Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to take you down the path at the back of Cosmopolitan, which goes all the way to Bellagio, and you can even get to Vdara from it. So a lot of people would assume that the walkway would be round about where the casino is. As you tend to find in casinos in Vegas, they all link each other and you all filter into the casino itself. But that is not the case with Cosmopolitan. It's actually on the second floor. So if you know the Cosmo fairly well, you'll know the casino is down at the bottom on the first floor. And the pathway to Bellagio is right at the very back where the Wicked Spoon is. So if you come in on the second floor, go past the chandelier bar right there. And if we look down there, you can see that's where the casino area is. And then coming down here, you'll pass Eggs Club just on the right. And you've got Block 16 on the left. So keep going down here, and you get to that bit of Cosmo where, if you know, you know. It's always empty. There's hardly anyone ever walking down there, unless there's some kind of conference going on. But basically, you have to head all the way down there, and you can get further up here from the casino level. So the escalators that are by the check-in desks do take you up a little further on round here. But if you're coming in from the boulevard, it is the second floor and you head towards the Chelsea Tower. So this area is usually quite dead, like I say, unless there's a conference on. You'll find not a lot of people here, unless they've been across the other side of the boulevard to get some food and they're on the way back to their room, which ironically is something I've just done. It's fascinating artwork you can find here. Over there as well, statues. Sometimes hard to believe that this is Vegas. You just don't expect to see this. Quiet, big, empty spaces. To be fair, it is early morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so it's probably even quieter than it usually would be. But if you keep coming down this way, you will get to the escalators that do take you down to the check-in area and to the casino as well. But we are going to walk right past that and then keep walking down this way. And as we turn this corner, you'll get to the Chelsea Tower elevators, and there's those dog statues, which I swear move. So if you've been to the Cosmo before, you'll know that this way is the way to the Wicked Spoon buffet, which, oddly enough, I've never actually been to the Wicked Spoon. I've stayed at the Cosmo many times, but I've never actually been to the Wicked Spoon. So these are all the Chelsea Tower elevators. So if you are in the Chelsea Tower, it's actually very convenient to get to Vdara and Bellagio from here, because you would just come out your room, into the elevator bank, all the way down. You'd come out, turn left, and then you'd be here at the Wicked Spoon. And then as you come around the corner here, you can see it's empty because they're not open yet. It's just before 8 AM, so they should be opening fairly soon. In fact, it looks like people may be in there already. But if you walk right past the Wicked Spoon, you will end up in this section here. And this is the new-ish walkway to get to Vdara and Bellagio. Now this walkway, as of recording this video, has been here for about 12, maybe 18 months. There used to be another walkway between Bellagio and Vdara, but that was, it was been there for quite a while, but obviously it's been recently renovated and it has air conditioning inside now. So if you keep walking down here and through these sliding doors, that big food thing you can see at the end, that ad for whatever it may be, once you get to there you can either turn left all this being connected now, you don't really have to step outside to get to anywhere. So through there is the tram, you can see 8 a.m. to 2 a.m. so it's not quite open just yet. So heading down these escalators, it will bring us out in Spa Tower. It's most likely going to be quite quiet in there. The casino probably won't be. I really do enjoy Vegas at this time of day. It's nice just to kind of walk around and not have the mad rush of people. And also very dependent on what time of year you come. So if you come in spring break, you'll find it's quite busy. I was here in spring break this year, which was 4 months ago as of recording this video. And it was very, very busy. So if you don't know, above us now is the Spa Tower for Bellagio. And this path following it connects to the conservatory. So obviously you don't have to go outside at any point once you're inside Cosmo to get to Bellagio. So if you fancy a change from the casino at one or the other, head through this tunnel, this passage, and you can get to the other. It's very serene, isn't it? It's a very nice walk, it really is. I mean, there are some walks that you can make here in Vegas between casinos that aren't as glamorous and nice as this. One example would be walking from Luxor to Excalibur. And yes, you do have to walk that one because the moving walkways hardly ever work. So it is a walk. And gift shop just here. I can see Raiders there. Just win, baby. So coming around here now, we will see the conservatory just in the distance, all set out for summer. And it does look very nice. So we'll catch a glimpse of it as we continue our walk through. You can see there, looks quite nice. Hot air balloons, very summery indeed. Butterflies, flowers, I'd say this time of day is probably the best time of day to actually experience the conservatory, just because there's less people there. You can get your pictures, get your selfies. It's very nice. And here we are. Here is the Bellagio. So that walk took us about 10 minutes. And I've not really been rushing. I've just been walking at a leisurely pace, just taking everything in. So you could probably make this, if you know, bit of speed walking, you could make this in maybe 6-7 minutes. So there we go. I do love that piece on the ceiling. It's very nice indeed. And there is the Bellagio Casino. So that is how you can walk easily from Cosmo all the way to Bellagio, fully air conditioned without stepping outside. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.